So when we did the door replacement, we ran into this problem. Rear door didn't have them, front doors did. These are dent guards, trim pieces, whatever you want to call them. Today we are going to be removing them from my first gen MazdaSpeed 3. So only first gens have them. I actually did do a video on Jace's car, my old car, where I removed them. So his does not have them anymore, if you guys want to know what a sedan looks like. And so basically I'm forced to do the same thing on my Speed. Basically if you guys are worried about dents, honestly, like, maybe keep them, but it looks a lot better without them. So we got to do the two fronts today, which I'll be showing you how, and we are going to get this thing looking clean. Like I said, we did the rear doors, so no more rust, no more dents. So all you guys are going to need for this is a heat gun, something with a flat edge, most likely like a credit card or something. WD-40 or adhesive remover would work. So let's go ahead and get started with taking these off. Okay, so we're going to get started. So I got scissors, fishing wire, I got a credit card, and my heat gun. So I'm going to work in portions of the area and use the fishing line to take this off, hopefully.
You just sticking that shit to my car right now? Yikes. There you go, now it looks sick, dude.
There you go. First one, done.
You ready for what? The big yeet?
Oh, this is gonna suck, dude. Oh. It's always in the same spot, right under the cab.
Your nail bed's gonna hurt so bad after. It came out really nice though.
I can't wait to get dings in my door now. No parking lot, gang. Nice.
So clean. I heard it clicking.
What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
This side legit took so much longer than the other one. Ta-da! There's no keys in it. He might just coast away in neutral.
Okay, so all the doors have been completed now. Very easy. This one took us a little longer on this side than the other side, but it does clean it up very nice, and it's something easy to do if you guys are looking to be different from everybody else. It only takes a little bit. It's a subtle thing. Little things add up. Little things add up. Anyways, guys, that's the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Comment down below if you guys have any questions or comments. If you guys are looking for some stickers for your whip, I can hook you up a little bit. I'm selling Mazda Squad stickers and 2-point slow stickers. Down in the description below, you guys can pick some up for yourselves and represent the channel, help out the channel, help out the things that we do to make content for you guys. Thank you very much for watching. Keep it real. I'll see you guys in the next one.